Uh, Here we'll discuss two problems from the area of electromagnetic theory and from the subtopic of Stokes theorem. And there have been two problems which have mainly come in the GATE examination for based on the Stokes theorem. The first problem is of GATE 2013, and the other problem which we are going to talk about is of GATE 2009. So first let us go through the problems, and then we'll try to see the solution to these problems, and these solutions are quite similar for both the cases. Now the problem is, consider a vector AR. The closed loop line integral A dot dl can be expressed as A part. This is the closed surface integral del cross A ds over the closed surface bounded by the loop. B is this volume integral over the closed volume divergence A dv over the closed volume bounded by the loop. Now C is divergence A over the open volume. This is over the open volume bounded by the loop. And D option is, this is del cross A over an open surface bounded by the loop. So out of these four options we have to find out which option is the right option. Now what we observe here is, as we know, in the case of the integral, the closed loop integral given here, this is A dot dl, basically it is a line integral, and line integral as per Stokes theorem is related to the surface integral. So we should look into the option where this line integral is related to the surface integral. So Stokes theorem relates line integral to the surface integral. So if I look at the option D, this is del cross A ds. Then del cross A ds, the option A is also there, and del cross A ds, the option D is also there. We have to see which is the right option. This A option shows here there is a closed surface. That means this del cross A is over the closed surface bounded by the loop. But if you see the statement of the Stokes theorem, what it says is, it says the line integral around the closed path is equal to the del cross A over the open surface, the surface formed by the boundaries of this loop. And you can observe here that a cap type boundary is being, cap type of figure is formed, and this surface is not a closed surface, is basically open surface. So the right option is that del cross A surface integral del cross A dot ds over an open surface, and that open surface which is bounded by the loop. So this is the solution. This right option is D. Now we'll see the another problem that is again quite similar to, it's also in the same area, and it is quite similar to the problem of what we have considered. In this, if we can read out the problem, says that if a vector field V is related to another vector field A through V equals to del cross A, which of the following is true? Note, C and SC refer to any closed contour and any surface whose who is bounded by, whose boundary is C. That means we have to, out of these 4 options, we have to give the right option. Okay. Now, what we see is this also statement of the Stokes theorem. So, what we observe here is this, say, we see the option B here, A dot dl, this is the line integral over the closed path is equals to, this is the open surface integral over the surface bounded by the loop. So, if we try to see the solution here, what we observe here is that this surface integral here, option B, in this A dot dl equals to V dot ds, and V is given as del cross A. V is given as, in the problem it's given as del cross A. So if it is del cross A, then if you replace V here, V, what we get is, this is the surface integral over the surface ds, del cross A over ds, and this is the surface bounded by the contour C. That means it is also basically an open surface. So the option B is the right option here. So the main consideration here is that whenever we are looking into the integrals, either from the Maxwell's or Maxwell's equations, Stokes theorem, Gauss's theorem, you should be very clear about the line integrals and the surface integrals, which are the closed integrals and which are the open integrals, or open integrals over the open surface. Thank you.